In this lesson, we'll look at how to diagnose poor outputs, why prompts fail, and how to systematically repair them using the results framework. This is one of the most important skills you will develop as a prompt engineering professional. Most people assume that when AI produces low-quality output, the model got something wrong. But in reality, poor output is almost always a prompt issue. Professionals don't guess. They diagnose. When you know how to troubleshoot effectively, you can correct the output, strengthen the prompt, and improve results immediately. High-quality prompting is not just about writing strong prompts, it's about repairing weak ones. Poor output usually follows predictable patterns. It may feel generic, vague, or shallow. It might be missing essential details or include assumptions you never intended. It may drift in tone, over-explain, or under-explain. Sometimes the structure is wrong or the response feels incomplete. Each of these symptoms points to a specific cause. And once you learn to read the symptoms, troubleshooting becomes simple. Most broken outputs come from one of 6 root causes. The role was unclear. The context was too limited. The steps were vague or missing. The outcome wasn't defined. Constraints were missing, or the model did not clarify before generating. These map directly to the results framework. Every letter represents a potential failure point. When you fix the weak section, the output improves. The results framework doesn't just help you build prompts, it also helps you repair them. If tone is inconsistent, revisit the role. If details are missing, expand the environment. If the model is confused, rewrite the steps. If the format is wrong, clarify the outcome. If the writing is long, vague, or messy, add limits. And if accuracy is off, strengthen the test step. Every prompt failure can be traced back to one of these areas. Even the best systems fail occasionally. A user may skip a step. Inputs might be incomplete. The system may be too rigid or too vague, or the system may be outdated as your business evolves. None of this means the system is broken. It simply needs maintenance. Your job is to identify what failed, adjust the prompt, update the system, and rerun it. Systems are living assets. They grow with your business. The accuracy improvement cycle has 4 parts: diagnose, adjust, test, and refine. Diagnose the problem by identifying what went wrong. Adjust the prompt using the results framework. Test the new version to confirm alignment. Then refine it to enhance clarity and consistency. This is an iterative process. Each improvement strengthens the system. Over time, your prompts become more reliable, more predictable, and more aligned with your voice. When analyzing a broken prompt, the first question to ask is, what is missing? If the output is flat or generic, it likely needs a stronger role or more context. If the model skipped parts of the request, the steps were unclear. If the output format is wrong, the outcome wasn't specified. If the writing is too long or unfocused, add limits. If the model made assumptions, the test step was missing. With practice, identifying these gaps becomes second nature. The goal is not perfection on the first attempt. The goal is progressive improvement. Think like a system architect, not a casual user. Professionals refine prompts the same way developers refine code, through iteration, testing, and adjustment. When you adopt this mindset, troubleshooting becomes predictable, logical, and even enjoyable. Problems stop feeling like failures and start feeling like opportunities to improve your system. In today's activity, you will receive several broken prompts. Your job is to identify what failed, map the issue to the corresponding part of the results framework, and repair the prompt. Then you will rerun the updated version and evaluate how the output improves. This exercise strengthens your diagnostic skills and shows you how small improvements dramatically change the quality of the results. When you master troubleshooting, you no longer react to AI. You direct it. You control the quality, the structure, and the accuracy. You know how to diagnose issues and repair them quickly. This is the skill that transforms prompting from guesswork into a professional discipline. And this is why systems you build become stronger, more reliable, and more valuable over time.